Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Forex news NTVforex. Rajan Dhall, MSTA.NTVforex. Following. Gold weekly price forecast. XAU USD looks set to hit the all-time highs. Analysis. 7/10/2025 43:19 p.m. Despite breaking to an 8.6-year high, gold could only end this week 1.22% higher. The precious metal looks set to test the all-time highs at $1,920.94 per ounce. Fundamental backdrop. Lots of data next week. It was the drop in the dollar and mixed sentiment in stocks that sent gold to an 8.6-year high this week. Recently, when the coronavirus pandemic situation gets worse, then the US dollar gets strong, but this seems to be a more localized problem for the US. The UK and EU seem to have a much better grasp of the situation, and this led the dollar to weaken. Recently the UK added more fiscal stimulus too, and since then the pound has outperformed. The more monetary stimulus gets added, the strong gold will become, but we would need an environment where stocks stall and the dollar weakens to see another push to the all-time highs. Everything in the financial markets moves in ratios, so this could just be a slow grind, but one thing is for sure, we need to keep an eye on the Federal. Next week there are lots of important data announcements. The ECB and BOC will be announcing their latest rate decisions and policy measures. The key in these events is forward guidance. Both of these central banks are not projected to move on rates. But if there is any indication that more stimulus to be added, it could make a difference. There is also the latest GDP readings from the UK and China. The Chinese GDP reading will be important for global risk sentiment. If the reading is poor, then there could be a flight to safety and maybe gold will benefit. Technical picture. Will $1,800 per ounce hold? On the gold weekly chart, you can see the price has stalled at the 138.2% Fibonacci extension. The market is due a correction, and looking at the relative strength index, there is a big divergence. This means there could be a move lower or a retracement in this uptrend. The $1,800 per ounce level is a strong resistance, and it would not be a massive surprise if the market has a rest from the relentless uptrend. The gold-silver ratio shows that it could be silver's time to shine. As you can see from the chart below, the price might break out to the downside. This could mean the rate of change against the US dollar. The MACD has dropped below the zero level and the histogram is now in the red. The signal lines also remain under the midpoint, so all signals are pointing to silver outperforming its big brother. Forecast poll XAU USD. The 1-week forecast poll shows traders are still pretty bullish and think the price could extend further past the $1,800 per ounce level. Looking further ahead, the pollsters think we are at the right levels at the moment. Interesting that in the longer-term measurements not many traders believe the precious metal will move sideways, but the forecast price is close to the current level. Links to other gold-related articles. Surge in coronavirus spooks investors as China takes profits. Is the party in gold just getting started? Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.